y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Chyna, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be retwisting my hair finally, and I might attempt to fix that one lock that was, yes, this one right here. You guys know I've talked about it before. You guys see how like this is about to like break. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm going to cut it, and then try to like reattach it again. So yeah, so this is the lock right now. I guess I'll take a little screenshot or whatever. This is it right now, and then I'm going to cut it. All right, so we are going to cut this lock. You guys say goodbye to it. Goodbye. And just like that, I'm going to cut it. I think I might cut it like, doesn't really matter, like right here. Okay. Left a little hair in there. Yo, I cut my hair. So this is how it's looking right now. You guys can tell, like, look how thick this part is, and then look how skinny this part is. Before we get started, yeah, so all you're gonna need is your crochet needles. I've had these for like what, 2 years now, you guys. I've had these for a while. I'm gonna go in and crochet because you guys know this lock specifically. Honestly, if I want to, I could just leave it, but I don't want to do that. I want to put it back. I'm gonna crochet because you guys can still see where like the two, because you guys know this lock was actually two locks that I combined. So you guys will see, you see how like over here it's like in two. So what I'm going to do is grab my crochet and just you know, yeah, it's been a minute since I've crocheted my hair, so hopefully I still remember. Yeah, my little sister's in the background. She's watching her show and she's very excited. Every time she watches her show, she gets really excited. So you guys will definitely hear her in the back. Let me use the one. Okay, so far this is how it's looking right now. It's like it's hard for me to like explain to people how to crochet the hair. You just do it. I mean, I have a video. I feel like that video is more in depth of how I do it, and you don't want to actually do crochet too much to your locks, you guys, because you know that can also make them weak, because sometimes you're creating holes in your locks too. So I don't do the crocheting often at all, you guys. Just when I have a repair that I see how it looks nice now, like one lock. Okay, but anyway, so now let me see, which one was it? This one right here. We put all these hair in the back so you guys, so we can focus on this right here. So we're gonna put the I want to put it like right here. Let me see, like right here, I would say, like right here. You guys see? So we're gonna try to crochet this whole part right here. Okay, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so first I'm going to like open this just a little bit, put some hair out so that you know, I can have some flyaway hairs to like attach the other part of the hair in. Okay, see how it's like a little fluffy at the top? Yeah, so we can, it can be easier to attach the other part of the lock. Okay, so that's one. And then I'm gonna do this one slightly too, just slightly, just break it out, just slightly, not too much and not too harsh, because you don't want to break, because that can cause breakage too. You can lose a few, you know, hair here and there because you did cut the hair, so you might, you know, experience some locks shedding and stuff. So now I think we said right here. So now we are going to start, crocheting the hair. And I switched between the bigger one and the smaller one. I mean the 1 and the 2. If I would like a more precise, I do the 1. So far this is how it's looking, like a little bumpy. Let me show you guys. This is how it's looking like. Looking a little bumpy, but that's okay, we're gonna fix that. Alright, you guys, so I'm still working on it. I took a little pause because I was watching my podcast while I do this, so I paused this a little bit. But honestly, you guys, all I'm doing is literally just, you know, doing this. And then, but you guys, so far this is how it's looking like, you guys. Like, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but so far it's looking pretty good. I don't want to like pull on it too much because I feel like it's gonna take a few weeks. I would say like a few weeks, a few days or whatever, and a few washes for the hair to really combine. But yeah, like I'm just gonna play around with it. I don't want to do it too much, like I said, because I don't want to make the lock too weak, you know, because sometimes if you overdo it, you might cause more damage than, you know, what was really there. You feel me? So yeah, so this is how it's looking like right now. Just really, it's like I can't really show you guys exactly how to do it because it's like a certain way that you do it. I feel like the camera would probably have to be in the back for me to show you guys. But I do have a video of me doing these like step by step. Like if you really want to see how I do it step by step, then definitely watch that video, you guys, because it tells you exactly what to do. Like, you guys, I'm satisfied with it. I don't know if it's gonna last. I don't know how long it's gonna last, or if it is gonna last. I don't know, but if it does fall off or whatever, you guys, I'll probably try to retouch it. Or if it does fall off, I'll probably just leave it off, because honestly it's only like probably like right here, this much hair, and it'll grow. So it's like, and my hair is already different length anyway, so it wouldn't really make that big of a difference. There's some that's shorter than the others, like the back is like super long. You guys see it, right? You guys see what I'm talking about, right? Like, yeah, so it wouldn't really make a difference if I did cut it all the way. I just wanted to try reattaching it to see, you know, how it would look, and, you know, if it would take. But this is how it looks right now. Like I said, I'm gonna try to be very gentle with it until it becomes a little stronger. So yeah, you guys, so this is how it is looking right now. This is the end result. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know what you guys think. It looks pretty good. Like, you can't tell that I cut it and placed it back, honestly. So yeah, guys, so if you guys have any questions regarding the process, let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.